Jamaica is one of the most popular winter escapes for New Yorkers. But after Hurricane Melissa, many travelers have been wondering, is the island ready to welcome visitors back? This morning, Jamaica's Minister of Tourism, the Honorable Edmund Bartlett, is here to set the record straight and update us on the island's recovery, its resilience, and what's open for the winter travel season. It is always great to see you, sir.
Oh, thank you so much. And it's wonderful to be here in New York City.
In New York City.
Where you're ready to come to Jamaica.
Ready to come, and we started. You asked me, have you made the trip? And shamefully, I said no, but I'm definitely doing it now. So first order of business, talk to us about the impact that Hurricane Melissa had on Jamaica and the potential that travelers need to know if they're planning on going out there.
Well, you know, the power of nature showed its great might in Jamaica, with Melissa recording a category still to be defined.
Sure.
The impact was very strong indeed in the southwestern side of the country. And indeed, it affected about 157,000 homes and buildings and, you know, the built environment. And impacted just a little over 1.5 million people. Wow. But the power of the Jamaican, the resilience of the Jamaican, the indomitable spirit of the Jamaican. You know, we say we're little. We're little. But we're Talawa.
We're Talawa.
You know?
I do.
You've never heard that word.
I have heard that. Once upon a time, I had a Jamaican boyfriend. We'll talk about that later. So, yes.
That's why you're so... I can see that.
But what you're speaking to is really the spirit of Jamaica, the resiliency
people,
of the Jamaican
their capacity to bounce back.
That's right.
And to bounce back quickly. And so really, we're saying to the world, and we're saying to our friends here in New York and the United States, that we are inviting you to come back because we are looking better.
That's right.
That the areas that have been improved have improved to a higher level of service, a higher level of quality, and a higher level of safety and security. It's amazing how we have, as a people, coalesce around this weather event and have out of it brought out the real spirit of Jamaica.
I love it.
And remember that we have hospitality in our DNA.
Of course you do. Well, I was going to say, how
so,
can viewers give back and help Jamaica's recovery?
So we say the best way to support Jamaica is to visit Jamaica.
Of course.
Because when you visit, the consumption pattern flows out. And that's when the immediate convertibility of the tourism dollars chips in.
Right.
So the fastest way to recover an economy is tourism. And so we invite you to come. But, you know, Melissa, in all its pains, provided some wonderful assets too. Our beaches are bigger, brighter, better.
Is that right?
Yes, far more alluring. Our 7 Mile Beach in the Grill is the old-time beach.
Wow.
The one that I knew when I was a boy.
Wow.
And in fact, now you can walk almost a mile out in the ocean and just be there at water levels that are no longer intimidating. So Jamaica is recovering, better, stronger, more alluring, more exciting, and the people of Jamaica are even friendlier and waiting for you.
I love this. So where can people go to get all the latest information?
Visit Jamaica. Remember www.visitjamaica.com. Wonderful.
That's all it is. It is alluring, as you said, and it is always wonderful to see you. Thank you so much.
And it is great to be here with you, and can't wait to see you in Jamaica.
You're here, sir. Thank you so much. Today, we know this was music to so many people's ears who want to get back to Jamaica. So you heard it here. Jamaica is open, resilient, and ready for winter travelers. You can find all the latest updates and booking info on our website, pix11.com. Just click on the Pix Partners tab.